On today's video, we're going to replace a seized up motor that controls the jets to our spa. It's not functioning. So here it is here. All we're going to do is replace the motor, not the basket or the pump. First thing we do is power it off. And there's a total of 6 bolts, 3 on each side. They're 9/16. So all we have to do is remove 6 bolts and then pull the motor out.
Yeah,
Water in there.
there's gonna be water. There's gonna be water, but it'll come out soon.
All 6 of them are out. Okay, straight out. It is there. Okay, we got an O-ring here, and then we got a gasket here. Okay, this is a 208, 230 volt motor, and there's a total of 3 wires, 2 leads and 1 ground. So let's go ahead and remove those. And then we also have a waterproof conduit. So we're going to use the same one, just remove it carefully. Okay, here's the bad motor. Bad one. So we have another spare motor.
Still intact.
It's not brand new, but it works, so we're going to use it. And all we do is replace everything back in reverse order how we removed it.
Alright, ground good.
Lead 1 and lead 2. These are not polarity sensitive, so it doesn't matter which side you put them on. Okay, let's put it back together. Okay. First one has that. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.